Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous long maxi dress, so let's begin. For this project I'll be using a 60-inch wide chiffon fabric. Begin by folding the fabric in half and then half again. Because the fabric is so slippery, I use pins to stop it from moving. Firstly, measure 2 inches from the top of the fabric. Fold this in half and pin into position. Next, you can measure your desired length of the dress. And carefully cut this out. Once you've done this, you can remove the pins. Open the fabric so that it's folded in half. And then cut the fabric in two. Now rearrange the fabrics by folding the fabric in half and then half again, as you did at the beginning. You can remeasure the 2-inch fold at the top of the fabric and pin into position. Now for the sleeves, you need 2 pieces of fabric measuring 29 inches long and 11 inches wide. These measurements are on the fold. Now open up your main fabric piece. Double check the 2-inch fold at the top. And make sure you have 4 folds on the dress pattern and also the sleeve pattern. You can add the 2-inch fold on the sleeve pattern as well. Carefully secure it with pins. Now place the sleeves on top of the main dress pattern as shown. Double check your positioning of the fabric. Now begin by measuring 3.5 inches at the top of the fabric and 8 inches down the side of the fabric. Join the 2 points together. And then carefully cut this out. You can separate the two pieces and remove the pins. On the main dress pattern, measure down 13 inches and mark. Draw a slight curve as shown. And carefully cut this out. Now you need to join the sleeve and the dress pattern as shown. Carefully pin the two together. And repeat this for all 4 pieces. Make sure you always pin the sleeve to a dress and the dress to a sleeve. Once you've pinned the 4 sides together, you should have something that looks like this. For the belt, cut out a piece of fabric measuring 60 inches long and 3.5 inches wide on the fold. Now begin by stitching the pinned sides together. And this is how it should look. Repeat for the other 3 sides. Once you're done, your pattern should look something like this. Next, you need to create a 2-inch fold, just as shown. Begin by pinning at the seams first. Once you've pinned the fold, stitch into position. Remember to leave a small opening at the end. And this is how it should look. You can cut out a 15-inch long elastic. Create a small casing on the 2-inch fold for your elastic. And this is how it should look. Now carefully insert your elastic into that casing. You can stitch or tie the elastic ends together. Once you're happy, stitch close the opening. And this is how your neckline should now look. Now you need to fold your dress right sides together and pin the sides of your dress. Carefully stitch the sides together, and this is how it should look. For the sleeve, create another small casing for your elastic. Measure the elastic against your wrist. Now carefully insert the elastic . Stitch or tie the elastic ends together. And then stitch close the opening, and there's your complete sleeve. Now repeat the same for the other sleeve. Finally, you need to hem the dress. Now to finish off the belt, stitch the belt right sides together, leaving one end open. Turn the belt inside out and stitch close the opening. And your dress is now complete. Here's the final look. I wore an undergarment with this dress because my fabric was see-through, but you may not need to. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time.